Dear students, according to changed SSLC exam pattern, let us see the answers for multiple choice questions. First question from chemistry part. The process used to convert metal carbonate ores into their oxides is roasting, reduction, electrolysis, calcination. Correct answer for this question is calcination. Next question is the correct group of saturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons containing single bond between carbon atoms are called saturated hydrocarbons. So, answer for this question is option B, C2H6, C3H8 and C4H10. Next question. The atomic number of an element X is 11 and the atomic number of Y is 17. Then the type of bond formed between these two elements. Here element X with atomic number 11 is sodium and element Y with atomic number 17 is chlorine. Bond formed between these two is ionic bond. So answer is option C, ionic bond. Next question. As the pH value of a solution decreases, we know that as pH decreases, the acidity increases, means concentration of H plus ions increases. So the answer is number of H plus ions increases. Next question. The functional group present in the carbon compound is. The functional group here is COOH, means it is carboxylic acid. So the correct answer is option D, carboxylic acid. Next question. The atomic number of an element is 20. In the modern periodic table, this element belongs to the period. So answer for this question is option A, 4. Next question. The number of single bonds present in the structure of a cyclohexane molecule. When we observe the structure of cyclohexane, 6 single bonds are present between carbon atoms and 12 single bonds are present between carbon and hydrogen atoms. Totally 18 single bonds are present. So correct answer is option B, 18. Next question. In modern periodic table, as we move down a group, the atomic size of the elements. As we move down the group, new shells goes on adding. So atomic size increases. So the answer is option C, increases. Next question is observe the following chemical reactions. The decreasing order of reactivity of metals in the above reactions is. In the first reaction, iron displaces copper from copper sulfate, and in second equation, zinc displaces iron from iron sulfate. So here highly reactive is zinc, next is iron and least is copper. So the correct answer is option A, zinc, iron and copper, which is in decreasing order of reactivity. Next question is the gas liberated when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules. Already we know that when dilute acids react with metals, hydrogen is produced. So the answer is option D, hydrogen. Next question is NaOH plus HCl, arrow mark NaCl plus H2O. This chemical reaction is an example of. Here sodium hydroxide is base and HCl is acid. When acid and bases react, salt and water are produced. This type of reaction is called neutralization reaction. Next question is the molecular formula of benzene is. Formula of benzene is C6H6. So the answer is option C, C6H6. In the next video, let us see the question and answers of physics and biology.